We're having Cynful cheesy broccoli, chicken, and rice tonight for dinner. We're going to start by cutting up our chicken. We're going to cut in slices and then cut across the grain into bite-sized pieces. This is such a yummy meal, and it's great for people with upset stomachs too. So let's go ahead and add a tablespoon of olive oil to this. And then we're going to season with poultry seasoning. And then I have a product called Adam's Reserve White Wine and Garlic Butter. If you can't get it, just use garlic powder, but I'm going to use about a tablespoon of that. You stir it all up and get those spices all on your chicken. That white wine and garlic butter, I hardly go without it. I keep that in my pantry all the time. It is luscious. Add the salt and pepper. Stir that in and set it aside. We're going to start on our rice after we get this stirred up. We're going to add our 3 cups of chicken stock, poultry seasoning, a little bit of ground mustard, give it a little punch, and then we're going to add our rice, stir all that in, and cover it with a top. We're going to put it on medium-high heat. Once we see that steam kind of coming out, we're going to lower our heat to low. Don't lift the lid and cook it for 20 minutes. At the last 2 minutes of the cook time, just go ahead and turn it off. So in the pan, we're going to add our olive oil, spread it around a little bit, and add the chicken. We're going to cook that chicken until we see no more pink. We're going to add our white wine. Stir it around, get the stuff off the bottom, and then cover it and cook it over medium heat. Let it cook while we mess with our rice here. Go ahead and pull our rice off. It should be ready by now. Fluff it with a fork, set it aside, and grab your steamed broccoli. Put it on your board and cut it up into decent sized pieces. Now we're going to take that rice, we're going to put it in a bowl, and we're going to add our broccoli to it. Add the can of cream of mushroom soup. Get it all combined in there. Now we're adding our chicken, juices and all. Stir that up, get that all combined, and add some cheese. Now you add as much cheese as you want. My family loves cheese. We're a cheesy family, so I tend to add quite a bit. Now, it got a little dry on me, so I added a little bit more chicken stock. I had about a cup left. Stirred that in. Once it was all combined, I pulled out my casserole dish and I tossed that rice in there. That mixture is nice and thick. And spread it around nice and evenly, all the corners and so on and so forth. And then top it all with more cheese. Like I said, my family loves its cheese. Once you got cheese all over it, we're going to go ahead and top it with some aluminum foil and poke holes in it so that it'll vent. And then we're going to put it in our oven. We've set it 350 degrees and cook it for about 40 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees in the center of the pan. Once that's 165, it's done. Serve it up. And there you have it, that Cynful cheesy broccoli, chicken, and rice. Right here's your recipe. I want to thank you guys for watching today, and please like and subscribe. Y'all have a blessed evening.